If you've ever closed your browser and wished it would reopen exactly where you left off, or maybe you prefer starting fresh every time, DuckDuckGo Browser gives you control over how it behaves when it launches. In this video, I'll show you how to change the startup settings in DuckDuckGo Browser. Let's get started. First, open DuckDuckGo Browser on your computer. Now click the menu button in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, open the General section. Find the Startup section. Here you will see a few different options that control what happens when the browser starts. The first option is usually Open a new window. If you select this, DuckDuckGo will always start with a fresh, empty window. The second option is Reopen all windows from last session. With this, you will continue where you left off. This is useful if you want your previous tabs and browsing session to reopen automatically every time you launch the browser. The third option is a Fire window. This allows you to automatically open only incognito mode windows that clear browsing history automatically. Once you select your preferred option, the change is applied immediately. There is no need to restart the browser or confirm anything further. Now, when you close and reopen DuckDuckGo Browser, it will behave exactly the way you configured it. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same Startup Settings section and select a different option at any time. You've successfully changed the startup settings in DuckDuckGo Browser. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more browser guides, customization tips, and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.